Hello, Sydney. What's your favorite scary movie?
Otis.
Hello, guys. How are you? It's I. No, I'm not Ghostface. I wish I was.
He's scary.
One of my favorite horror movies. Love Scream. Anyways, it's time for a spooky version of Munchpak. Not as scary as Selma, but, you know.
Hey.
Speaking of scary, we just saw Michael Myers' Halloween.
Woo!
Epically enjoyed it. Highly
Yes,
recommend it.
sure.
Ooh.
Candy.
What do we got first?
We have this. Oh, I don't like it. It tastes good.
Watermelon Rip Rolls.
Oh, I don't like watermelon.
It looks like a fruit roll-up. Here, hold on to this.
I'll leave it right here aside.
It looks like a fruit roll-up.
Ooh, strawberry crackers. Strawberry crackers, strawberry crackers. Trying with the strawberry crackers.
Not bad. Eggo strawberry jam biscuit cookies. Crunchy sandwich cookies with sweet strawberry jam.
Take one. Take
Made from Malaysia.
one.
They look familiar.
I'm sick now.
Sick in the head.
See what else do we have? Have something good. Okay.
Hi, Chew. This flavor is grapefruit.
Ooh.
I did a cannonball on that last one. I had to chew for a minute. Shh. Why can't I open packages?
Weird.
It takes me for a while at Christmas, too.
I want one.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You need to know what a grapefruit tastes like. I know what a grapefruit looks like.
Tastes good. Ew. Ow.
Ooh.
It's soft, but it's a little hard. Ow. Too much, that's why it hurts.
Let's get away from the fruity for a minute. Oh boy.
We'll have that a little later. Let's see. What do we have here?
Hang on, Sammy, hang on.
Crackers. My favorite panda crackers.
Delicitos pepper snack. Crunchy puffed snack bites flavored like fresh peppers from Brazil. That sounds dangerous.
I still does, really.
It sounds scary.
I want this one.
Oh, they smell pretty good. What harm can come from one little package?
A strawberry.
As we learned from Chucky, very much. Ooh. A little bit of a kick to it, but boy, does it taste like a pepper. Holy crap. A lot of flavor to that one. That's really good. Try it. You like peppers? Okay.
Ice cream. Ice cream again?
Munchpak, are you kidding me? Although I gotta say, Rick and Morty.
Rick and Morty.
No. That ain't for me, dude. Nuts. I'm sorry. Not. What is that? I don't like pickles. Oshi. Ubi. Pillows. Crunchy pillow crackers filled with sweet and savory purple yam filling from the Philippines. It looks like a Wheatie.
Looks like a pillow.
Skull Vikings.
It's not Skull Vikings, you know.
Not bad.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Help.
Let me try that panda ones. What flavor is that?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? I've had panda many times in these Munchpak videos, but
In the old house.
yeah, in the old house.
In John's cabin.
Oh, that's right. She has a better memory than I do.
I know everything about cabin. Cabin.
Check that vlog out, by the way, if you haven't seen that yet. Our cabin vlog. It was a lot of fun. Okay, sour dudes. I like the sound of that
Sour.
already.
Then you're a dude.
Sour apple flavor from Turkey.
Ew, I don't like turkey.
Speaking of turkey, I'm so ready for Thanksgiving.
Ooh, Thanksgiving. I like turkey now. Mama.
It looks like a worm.
You're right. They look like grass.
Wait.
Wow. They don't taste sour. I like you.
Not
So
bad.
good.
Alright.
It's not even sour. Just try it. It's just salt.
Let's do something crunchy and hot. What's that, Sam? Wrap snacks, wavy,
The last one.
little boosies, Louisiana heat. Crunchy wavy potato chips packed with Louisiana spices and hot sauce. Made in the USA. Ooh. Wow. Munchpak,
More
you trying to kill
paper.
me?
Hey, more paper.
What is that? You're going too fast for me, dude.
Very funny. Very naughty. What are you looking for?
Ooh. Holy smokes. It kicks in after a second.
Wow, you're a grandpa.
High tea cheese wafers. Crunchy wafers with a sweet and savory cheese flavor from South Korea. And Samantha's got a head start already. Ooh, it smells really good. Let me see. Hang on.
I don't even want to try this again. It's so good.
If anyone wants to adopt her, comment below.
I didn't see it yet.
Oh my god, it tastes like mac and cheese.
Wow.
Oh, mama. Mm-hmm. This is why I love Munchpak so much. You guys, for $10 a month, you can have your own Munchpak. Munchpak Mini. And right now you can get $5 off for your first
or
purchase.
$3.
No, right now I think it's $5. But guys, go to munchpak.com. Check them out. They're amazing. My cameraman is slacking. Hope you guys have a safe Halloween.
And have a great grass.
And we'll see you guys real soon. Happy holidays. Peace.